of our land, ye are with us forever. The power and the splendor of thrones pass away, but yours is the might of some far-flowing river. Through summer's bright roses or autumn's decay, ye treasure each voice of the swift passing ages, and truth which time writeth on leaves or on sand. Ye bring us the bright thoughts of poets and sages, and keep them among us, old songs of our land. The bards may go down to the place of their slumbers, the lyre of the charmer be hushed in the grave, but far in the future the power of their numbers shall kindle the hearts of our faithful and brave. It will waken an echo in souls deep and lonely, like voices of reeds by the summer breeze fanned. It will call up a spirit of freedom when only her breathings are heard in the songs of our land. For they keep a record of those, the true-hearted, who fell with the cause they had vowed to maintain. They show us bright shadows of glory departed, of the love that grew cold and the hope that was vain. The page may be lost and the pen long forsaken, and weeds may grow wild o'er the brave heart and hand, but ye are still left when all else hath been taken, like streams in the desert, sweet songs of our land. Songs of our land, ye have followed the stranger with power over ocean and desert afar. Ye have gone with our wanderers though distance and danger, and gladdened their path like a home guiding star. With the breath of our mountains in summers long banished, and visions that passed like a wave from our strand, with hope for their country and joy from her banished, ye come to for deep desolations, while ocean waves roll, or the mountain shall stand. Still hearts that are bravest and best of the nations shall glory and live in the songs of